Hello, my favorite student. Today we are going to make a landscape. Well, let's quickly open our book and see what do we have. Wow, we see a beautiful scenery right here. Let's start by making a box for our scenery and then make the entire scenery or landscape inside. Let's take a scale and make 2 standing lines. After that, let's make a sleeping line right here. Once we are done with that, let's make one more sleeping line at the bottom. And then start by making a beautiful mountain with the help of 2 slanting lines. Once we are done with that, let's make one more mountain on the right side, and after that, start by making a beautiful rectangle for the house. Go very slow while making it and then make the roof. We will only make this with the help of lines. After that, let's make 2 curved lines, join it from the bottom and from the top, and then start by making a beautiful big oval. Inside the oval, let's make a beautiful tree. We need to make a very big one, something like this. After that, let's start by making bushes with the help of these curved lines. They look brilliant. Now, let's make a rectangle inside the house, which is going to be a beautiful window. And another rectangle for the, you're right, door. Let's make a circle for the sun. And finally, our drawing or landscape is ready. Let's start by sketching this. Make sure that you do not sketch the overlapped parts. You can turn your book in a way where you're comfortable sketching this. Sketch the entire drawing in a similar way. Go very slow and go right on top of the pencil marks. Do not sketch the rough parts. And now complete the entire drawing in a similar way. We are done with the entire sketching. Let's erase all the extra pencil marks we see. And now comes the fun part. We will start coloring this. If you notice, we are coloring this in a circular motion. Let's take another color, which is a lighter color, and start coloring on top of this. This looks beautiful. Go ahead with the next one, wherein we will take brown color for the bark of the tree. Start by doing the outline and then color inside. Take a dark brown color for the mountains. Make sure that you do not leave any white spaces and color only in one direction. And complete the other mountain in a similar way. At first, we will put pressure on the crayon and color darker. Slowly, we will release the pressure and color lightly for a beautiful shade. The next color we take is green color for the bottom part. Our scenery looks colorful, isn't it? That's lovely. Color only in sleeping line over here. That's wonderful. The next thing we do is take blue color for the water. Again, we are going to color it darker at first, which is on top, and start by releasing the pressure from the crayon and color lightly. Look at the effect we are getting for the water. Take a lighter shade of blue and color it at the bottom. That looks beautiful. Let's take light green color and do the bushes here. This looks so pretty. And now comes the time when we do the roof of the house. Let's take a darker blue and do the roof. And after that, let's take a light yellow or a lemon yellow for the walls of the house. And then we will take red color for the door. Color very slowly and nicely so that you do not go out of the small shape. Take blue color for the window. And yellow color for the sun. And look at that, our scenery or landscape is ready.